It's the beginning of the year. You've arrived on site. It's your first job for the year, and the client has asked you to give him a quote on painting. And sure, you're going to sum up the quality of the paint, his budget, etc. But you got to remember the tools you need to get the perfect finish, because you want a happy customer. So let's go back a little and have a look at what we'd require as we walk around this home. Okay, so we need to start with the roof first. So we need to get this roof clean. So we need to wash it down with sugar soap and the use of Hamilton's hard platform broom. Definitely waterproofing to follow with the ridges and the top of this chimney, as it is a flat area. And then using a decent roof brush, we need to paint this roof 2 coats. So the exterior walls need painting, but the preparation is of utmost importance, and these walls are in a shocking state. So a high pressure wash, once that's done, we're going to have to do a lot of repair work, as you can see, and filling. So a decent scraper, then some sandpaper, because we need to sand all the repair areas, and then we need a roller that's solvent resistant to primer the home with plaster primer repair works, and then apply the top coats. Okay, definitely Hamilton's robust stainless steel putty knife to replace all the putty that's non-existent on these window frames. The windowsills also look shocking. They would need to be primed because most of the coating is worn off. So primer with plaster primer followed with 2 coats of a stoop enamel. So make sure you've got a checklist when you go to site, because you will need a lot of preparational tools: platform brooms, scrapers, sandpaper, roof brushes, waterproof brushes, rollers, and what about the masking tape? Oops, the paintbrush. That's it from me, Bernie B and Hamilton's, and the perfect finish.